Let's read Noah's Ark. This book is by Page Productions, but the story is from the Bible. One day, God said to Noah, I'm sending a great flood to wash the earth clean. He asked Noah to build an ark big enough for his family as well as 2 of each animal. Can you show me 2 fingers? 1, 2. Good. An ark is a really big boat. Noah always obeyed God, even though there wasn't a drop of rain in sight, nor any water nearby for sailing. He and his sons started to build the ark. 1, 2, 3 sons helping him build. When the ark was ready, Noah's family began gathering the animals 2 by 2. The deer came from the forest, and lions came from the jungle. Animals came from the deserts, fields, and mountains. All entered the ark 2 by 2, just as God had planned. Do you see the 2 owls? What does an owl say? Whoo, whoo. Where are the 2 deer? Here they are. Do you see the 2 rabbits? Hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop, rabbit. Here they are. And the 2 monkeys? Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Where are the lions? 2 lions. What does a lion say? Roar. 2 zebras? They neigh like horses do. Neigh. 2 elephants? 2 giraffes have long necks. 2 bears? Rawr. And 2 birds. These birds are macaws. As God closed the door, it began to rain. It rained and rained for 40 days and 40 nights. There was lightning flashing and thunder booming until the whole earth was covered with water. Do you see the penguins on here? There they are. And they're alligators, snakes, monkeys, owls, panda bear, deer, lion, and there's Noah, giraffes, and the birds. At last, the rain stopped and the sky was filled with sunshine. After several months, the ark came to rest on the top of Mount Ararat. Noah sent a dove to search for dry land. When the dove returned with an olive branch, he knew that land was near. He got the olive branch from a tree that was on the land. God opened the door, and all the animals went out to make new homes for their families. Noah thanked God for protecting them from the flood. The very first rainbow stretched across the sky, a sign of God's promise never to flood the whole earth again. The rainbow, you can't tell right here, but the edge is red. Red, say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, which is a dark blue, and violet, which is a purpley pink. That's the story of Noah's Ark. Thank you for reading with me. God bless you, and I love you.